कोंकणी भाशा मंडळाचो 53वा वर्सुकी दिसाचो सुवाळो जालो. मंडळान कोंकणी मळार वावुरपी लोकांचो भोवमान केलो. मुखेल सोयरो अजित गुडीन कोंकणी खातीर काम केल्ल्या वेगवेगळ्या मळावेल्या लोकांचो भोवमान केलो. कोंकणीची उदरगत करतना अर्थीक आदार गरजेचो, संस्थे खातीर फंड उबारपाचेरूय लक्ष दिवचें म्हूण गुडीन उलो मारला.
चेतन आचार्या सकयल हाच्या नेतृत्वा सकयल जी संस्था कोंकणी भाशा मंडळ म्हाका दिसता आनी अशी बरी संद आसतली, कारण त्या मनशाक अहंकार, तिरस्कार आणि सुवार्थ हे तिगायचो स्पर्श जावना अजून.
भयंकर व्हडलो अजेंडा आसा आनी तांकां फंड्स ना. कितेंय आमी करता न्ही मिशन, इट हॅज टू बी फायनान्शियली वायबल जावपा जाय. हाजेर हांव सदांच स्ट्रेस दिवपी. म्हण हांव चेतना कडेन उलयतालो सांगलें ताणें की ताणें एक एक्सटेन्सिव मेंबरशीप ड्रायव्ह करचो, म्हणजे सबस्टेन्शियल फंडींग तांचें जातलें. कारण तांची एनर्जी पळय आसा न्ही ती कोंकणी डेव्हलपमेंटाक पडचे पेक्षा ती फंड गॅदरींग करपाचेर वता अशें म्हाका दिसता. दिस इज माय सजेशन.
मडगांवच्या उदरगतीचो विचार आसल्यारूच उमेदवारांनी पालिकेची वेंचणूक लडोवची म्हणून सिटीझन ऑफ मडगांव एंड फातोर्डान म्हळां. नगरसेवक जाले म्हणून कोणाक पयसो करपाक दिवचे ना. पालिकेच्या कामांचेर बारीकसाणी नजर आसतली म्हणून आदवोगाद राजीव गोम्स उलयलो. मडगांवचे प्रस्न सोडोवंक जमनाशिल्ल्या आदल्या नगरसेवकांक लोकांनी घरांत हाडचे म्हणून सिटीझन्स फॉर मडगांव एंड फातोर्डान उलो मारला.
If they will stay away from corruption, if they will see that they are accessible to the people, and they will dedicate themselves to the betterment of their ward, only then they should contest these municipal elections. Now, Minister of Urban Development has clearly assured as well as announced that he is going to see that all councils will have a citizens monitoring committee mandatory. Now, if this is so, we will as citizens will be given liberty to attend these council meetings and interact with the councillors. Still facing parking problem. Marga is still facing the traffic congestion. Marga is still facing sanitary problems as far as toilets and all these are concerned. And these are problems which have been in Marga since many years. And the councillors, when they were elected in 2010, they knew very well that these are the problems faced by Margaon, yet they did not do anything. And where is the question of once they had a chance, where is the question of re-electing them again for what purpose?
उदेंते फुटबॉल खेळगड्यांक उर्बा दिवंक पार्ली आनी IDBIन फेडरल लायफ इन्शुरन्साच्या जोडपालवान स्टार स्पोर्ट्सान यंग हिरोज टॅलंट हंट सुरू केला. गोंयांत कार्यावळीची सुरवात 5 तारखेक आक्षी फुटबॉल ग्राउंडार जातली. भारतात वेगवेगळ्या शारांनी मेळून 15 जाग्यांचेर ही कार्यावळ जाता. तातूंत 15 वर्सां सकयल्या 650 शाळांतले भुरगे वांटो घेतले.
Today, time has come for the young kids to take best of the advantage of these programs, which with the highlight also. Been doing so many programs in the past years. So this is one of the opportunity for young Goan kids to merge with the national kids to have a long-term training program. Not only in India, being trained by the Indian professional coaches for first few days, but if they are selected for the 15 best boys will go to Spain to get better experience and better encouragement and inspiration to see the best of the platforms in Spain.
It's a 7-a-side under 15 tournament. The duration of the game will be 15 minutes. So along with this tournament, Mr. Brahmanand will be selecting around 3 to 5 most talented boys from Goa. So there will be a 2-week All India training camp in Calcutta in January, from where 16 of the most talented boys out of 50 to 60 boys will be chosen to go to Spain. So we have a tie-up with the Spanish Federation. So they will be going to Spain for 2 weeks and be playing competitive matches, and we're training under professional Spanish coaches over there.
इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.